Space is filled with mysteries, and one of the biggest lies in the realm between planets and stars. Today we're diving into the strange world of brown dwarfs, and a new discovery that has astronomers excited. In 1995, astronomers discovered Gliese 229b, the first brown dwarf that we could confidently identify. Brown dwarfs are objects that aren't quite stars, but are more than planets, with masses ranging between 13 and 80 times that of Jupiter. These fascinating objects can burn deuterium, a heavier form of hydrogen, but they can't sustain the hydrogen fusion that powers stars. And unlike planets, they can burn a small amount of lithium too. After they've exhausted their deuterium, brown dwarfs cool down and gradually dim over time. Their color and classification also change, moving through types like L, T, and Y as they age. But let's get back to Gliese 229b. Recently, astronomers discovered something that may solve a mystery about this specific brown dwarf. Right after Gliese 229b was first discovered, astronomers used models to estimate its mass. They predicted it to be around 30 to 50 times the mass of Jupiter, based on its temperature and brightness. Fast forward more than 2 decades, and astronomers were able to refine their observations. This time, they calculated Gliese 229b's mass dynamically by studying its orbit around its red dwarf host star. The result? A whopping 71 Jupiter masses. Now, this was strange. According to all our models, there's no way a 71 Jupiter mass object like Gliese 229b could have cooled down to its current temperature. Something didn't add up. That's when researchers started to suspect that Gliese 229b might not be alone. Could it actually be two objects? A binary brown dwarf system? In 2022, astronomers turned the powerful Keck observatory telescopes toward Gliese 229b to investigate further. What they found was mind-blowing. The team detected a significant change in Gliese 229b's radial velocity, the way its speed along our line of sight shifts over time. This massive change completely ruled out the idea that Gliese 229b is a single object. It must have a companion. While we don't yet know everything about this newfound companion, astronomers estimate that it has a mass between 15 and 35 Jupiter masses, and it might orbit Gliese 229b within just a few days to 60 days. Not only does this discovery help solve the mystery of Gliese 229b's mass, but it also opens the door to understanding other brown dwarfs that seem to be too massive for their classification. Interestingly, a few overmassive T-dwarfs, which are brown dwarfs in their later stages, have been found orbiting stars. If future observations confirm that they too are part of binary systems, it might suggest that brown dwarfs around stars are more likely to have companions than those floating alone in space. Gliese 229b's discovery marks an exciting step forward in our understanding of brown dwarfs and their mysterious companions. As we continue to improve our telescopes and techniques, there's no telling what other secrets the universe holds. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the unknown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting discoveries from the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.